Hi guys, it's Jack Williamson again here with another tip for your bagpiping. Today we're going to be talking about the best way to clean out under your drone reed tongue. So here we have the drone reed in question. This is a Canard bass reed, one of my all-time favorite bass drone reeds. And one of the things you'll notice is there's quite a bit of crud underneath the tongue. That just comes from playing and usage. There's nothing really wrong with the reed. It just needs to be cleaned. And so what we're going to do is we're going to take some paper money and gently work it under the edge of the drone reed tongue. And then we're going to press down on the tongue and pull back. So that same process again, we slip under the tongue, press down on the tongue, supporting the tongue, making sure it doesn't move. And we're effectively scrubbing the bottom side of the tongue using this paper money. You don't want to use copy paper for this. It's important that you use money. So this is one of the few reasons to keep money in your wallet anymore. The reason you want to be sure to use cash money is it's more of a fabric than a paper. And so it's going to grab the gunk out from underneath the tongue. So now we know we have a nice clean reed bed and tongue. So our drone reed will be working at its peak.